Hi, my name's Wayne. In 1984, I started Solar Shades. Since that time, we have manufactured over 10,000 commercial and residential skylight covers. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how we manufacture covers. Okay, the first section for manufacturing commercial covers is use of a CAD program where we get your dimensions and we plug it into the computer and it will figure out how to properly cut the material to minimize waste. We'll be showing you that in the next section. After the CAD program enters the cutting dimensions, those are sent to the cutting table, and this machine cuts the material before it goes to the sewing department. For larger commercial covers requiring center seams, we use a heat seal machine which produces a much stronger seam than if we were to sew that with thread. For sewing the outside hem on a cover, we use a special thread, will not rot outside, and it's sewn on machines like this. And as you can see, we have very large tables for very large skylight covers. The material comes in 5 different colors, from left to right: stucco, gray, beige, brown, and black. It also comes in 2 different densities. One's an 80% block and one is a 90% block. The material is the same, it's just that the 90% block has a denser weave. Here is the 80% block, and here is the 90% block. More information is available regarding the different amounts of light and heat that the 2 materials will block on our website. For residential covers, here is the proper way to measure for the cover. Place your tape at this first lip on the frame, come across the top of the dome. Don't worry about the tape filling in this low area. Over to the same spot on the other side. It's important that you measure in the middle of both sides so that you take in the maximum amount of the dome. So you measure it this way and you measure it the same way that way. Particularly on square skylights, always measure both ways because it may appear to be square, but there could be a few inches difference one way or another on the cover. Flat skylights are measured the same way. Obviously they don't have a dome, but you just measure it the same way from the lip across there to the lip on the other side. Once you receive your cover, installation is easy. Pull the rope up to form a slight cupping at the 4 corners. Be careful not to allow the rope to slip back into that hem, the end of the rope. So tie a double bow knot there, throw it over the skylight, catch the 4 corners, and then tie your knot here. Sometimes in order to get it tighter, you can tie the knot and then pull it over the corner, but most of the time you can just tie it tight there. And that's it. Depending on your elevation and the direction that the skylight faces, our covers last 15 to 20 years. The product is 100% domestic, made in the United States. Our warranty is 3 years commercial, 2 years residential. If you need any further information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video.